these special projects?
You need to have a master plan so that you can prioritize and you can do each little step so that it can save you a lot of money and time with the pre-planning concept.
Okay, so anything less than a master plan, you just kind of spin your wheels, do things piecemeal, spend more money than you have to. Great advice. Stay tuned. More advice coming up in 1 hour.
I was
950 square foot house, kind of small. These folks are doing some interesting space utilizing tricks. Dale Cranston, our handyman, what are they doing right?
Well, here they're creating a fireplace wall that's always got a real nice focal point here, the fireplace, and then on either side, you're going to be putting in some recessed shelves that, again, will utilize the space without encroaching into the rest of the living room.
Okay, creating more living room in the living room. Great advice. Okay, we'll be back in 1 hour with more tips.
At 1-800-DENTIST, we realized
Spencer and I are going to show you a few projects around the house that you can do for under $1,000.
Gives me a small clue.
Like tweaking the kitchen, and that will really add a lot of value to your house.
For under $1,000?
Sure, for a good tweak.
Okay, well, can't wait to see that one. If you're doing any home improvements at all, you gotta stay tuned. It's our home improvement guide. It's coming up at 5. We'll see you then.
child's